What we do here is to develop, manufacture, engineer, and customize passenger information systems, digital displays, usually solar powered, although we also do non-solar systems, which give information to passengers of transit companies especially about when the next bus arrives. One of the trickiest things about these systems is they have to be robust enough to sustain any climate condition. And so they have to be, of course, weatherproof, waterproof, and the temperature range of the displays themselves has to be really extended, because these items, they stand in the street under the sunshine for long hours every day for years. Item that we use is a very robust front glass. It has to be it's layered, so there are 2 layers of glass, and in the middle there is a PVB film. It filters out UV rays so that it protects the displays, and it's exceptionally strong, so it's anti-shattering. Of course, it has to comply to the rules and regulations of outdoor street furniture. We have the relationship with Anders because they could really provide, I think, one of the most reliable displays that we have been using. So we have a maintenance contract of up to 8 years. So you need a display that is robust enough to sustain any temperature range or any weather condition for 8 years in an environment like Israel with a lot of dust and sea salt in the air. So it's really important to have displays, which is the key component of a device like this, a display that gives you peace of mind. It was a joint effort because these are all customized displays. So we had to work with Anders engineers to find the best possible solution that met a lot of requirements, not just temperature range or being able to withstand any weather condition, but also resolution and size. These are things that have to be readable from 10, 15 meters away. So the letters that you use, the fonts have to be big and sharp and easy to read.
I think the most difficult feature to be reached is the size, because to have a size like this is not easy. Only a few companies can build such a display. With a special machine in order to cut the glass.
There was a lot of work involved in developing this particular display, and it wouldn't have been possible without joint cooperation between our engineers and Anders engineers.
Anders maintains very good quality during the years, and every batch delivered to us is the same as the previous batch. This is very important for us. Display, it's important to test and to have contact with your technical in order to keep this good quality. Anders for us is strategic part because, in this kind of product, the display is the most important part. So without the display, we cannot have such product.